What's up, guys? This is AWadd here from the Sports Junkies, hanging out with Clint. Clint, I noticed your tailgate right away. It's one of the best. Take me through it and explain, what you've got going on here.
Yeah, so it's an Atlantic City jitney bus we got 6 years ago. It used to drive all the drunks around to the casinos. We tore the seats out. We put the TVs on the outside, did the graphics. It's got a full bar inside, and we've been doing it for 6 years, every game.
Yeah, so, man, we got here at 12:30, man. We're just putting a spread out, having a good time. I just want to say to the Junkies, you guys are f***ed up for with AWadd so much. My man deserves some credit. Go Skins! Woo!
Tommy, so is this your bus? There's a couple buses. How did you plan this whole thing?
So me and my dad built this bus right here, and then we sold it off to one of our good friends. So we come out every weekend and support the Skins, you know what I mean? And we're just out here having a good time with some good friends and just drinking and having a good time, man. That's what it's all about.
Here we go. Party bus number 2. Let's go Skins. Wow.
These are all your LEDs up here. You got 1, 2, 3 rows. Speakers up front. Right here, 2 TVs in the back. And then the back left, we converted into a bathroom.
Wow. Can I ask you real quick, do you know where Drunk Mike is? Have you seen him? You ever seen a Drunk Mike?
Name's Carlisa. I'm going to make a pineapple strawberry rum punch. Go Redskins! Woo!
Bring it in here, cameraman. Let's see what they got. Hey, can we get a hail to the Redskins in the background? Here, let's go. You got to try the first sip.
It's good.
Does it taste like victory?
Oh yes, everything tastes like victory over here.
Have you seen them since they got the TV show? Have you watched it all?
Watch the TV show on CSN.
You do?
Yep.
Is there one junkie that, looks different than he sounds after you've been listening to them for a couple years?
Yeah, Lurch.
Lurch?
Yeah, definitely.
What's different?
I just picture Lurch from the Addams Family, and he doesn't look like Lurch. He's tall, but that's it. I mean, it's nothing else. Yeah.
This for a win. This for Harambe. This for a win for Harambe.
Okay.
We support.
I still don't get that, but go on.
Go ahead. All right, we're gonna win. Roethlisberger has 1 weapon, 2 weapons today. He has Antonio Brown. He has D'Angelo Brown, and that's about it. Everybody else is on drugs and hurt.
So this is for the defense.
Yeah, it's for the
defense. Stand up.
We're gonna stand up today.
All right. Cheers.
It's for Harambe.
Woo! You finished that one.
Woo!
Tastes like victory?
Tastes like a win.
So we have Steelers Jello shots, but we have Bubba.
Yeah,
Can't go wrong with Bubba.
Big dude. Does anyone tackle Bubba?
Oh yes, I could make money off of pictures with Bubba.
What's up, guys? This is AWadd hanging out with Rafe here at the tailgate. Take me through your tailgate. Hey, what do you call it?
Hey, team turned up tailgating party, baby.
Turns up, I bleed burgundy and I piss gold every day.
Oh, hey.
What are you drinking though specifically? What's your drink for game day?
For real? Yeah. I drink it all. I drink it all. Do it, baby, just like that. I'm out, baby. That's all I got, baby.
We're gonna get this on camera. What's your name?
Hey, I go by the Bong Man.
The Bong Man.
The Bong Man.
Hey, here we go, Redskins, baby.
Ready?
Redskins. Hey, Redskins, baby. Hey, here we go.
Go, go, go.
2, 1. Let's go, Redskins. Did that taste like victory?
Yes, we stomping in Pittsburgh.
We are.
stomping Pittsburgh. We stomping them.
We got the whole shebang.
Show me a little something. Show me a little something.
This is Drunk Mike. We're going to show you the green F42 tailgate site. A little bit mom there. This is the grill. Oh, there's not much going on right now on the grill. I was not aware of that. We got here about 12:45. We're just going to trust that's fully cooked at this point. This is the preparation. This is the food preparation table. Got a lot of things going on right here. This is the finished product table. Now, pan out a little bit. I don't want to say who took it, but somebody took that lovely Redskins tablecloth right out of FedEx Field. I don't want to comment on who did that. Don't say Dan never gave you nothing, but you can scan across. This is some finished product here. Matthew Truman beer koozie, some burgers, chicken and dogs, miscellaneous items, macaroni and cheese there. Somebody took the burgers out and didn't put them back. That's a little bit of a show. It's highly likely those burgers are unedible at this point in time. This is a canopy. Oh no, this is the best part of the tailgate, as a matter of fact. We don't need to go down to any Oh look, he just came out of a men's porta-john. There's a woman's porta-john and a men's porta-john. So we don't got to wait in line nowhere, you know what I mean? Men's and women's. The men's has 2 buckets. Make sure you get your urine in one of them. How many beers have I drank?
7. You're on number 7.
Baker's dozen. Baker's dozen. I don't know even what that number even is. Oh, I'm well beyond 13. I'm well beyond 13. I'm probably high teens, low 20s, but I don't drink. Do I, Mr. True?
Oh, you don't drink. He don't drink. He doesn't even...
2 in this pocket and 2 in this pocket. So I'm only going to take 4 in, but that's based on the temperature. That's based on the weather. The colder it gets, the more I take in.
Have you seen the Sports Junkies since they moved to TV?
I have watched it. Oh, by the way, I'm happy you asked that question. Eric Bickel on ESPN was a little bit of a show. He looked a little bit nervous. He looked a little bit hurting.